Manage assets. Allows you to review all your backup assets in one place. You can easily check their statuses, quickly access data, and take any necessary actions on devices. Let's start by navigating to the Actions menu. Selecting the Actions menu provides options to the following actions. View and manage assets in one place. Initiate backups on demand. Restore data from backups to the original or alternate location. Review the status and history of backup jobs. Add extra users with access to view and restore data. Display the timestamp of the most recent successful backup. Add or view notes related to backup assets or activities. Let's select the Backup Management option to get started with our backup. The Backup Management option lets you run a backup on demand. Otherwise, your backup will automatically commence based upon your policy backup schedule. Select Start Backup. Once the Start Backup option has been selected, click on Save Changes. Once the backup is initiated, its status will appear as running. You can stop the backup anytime if you don't wish to continue. Now, let's select an asset name to view its backed up data or initiate a restore. You can preview the backed up mailbox just like in Outlook. By selecting Calculate Count, you can see the number of emails in each folder. Or you can restore the entire mailbox as a PST by selecting the Export Complete Mailbox option. Next, let's select an individual mailbox folder. Once a mailbox folder is selected, you can see a preview of any backed up emails. With a right click, you can download an email as an EML file to open in Outlook, or select the Restore option to bring up the Restore Settings window. Restore Settings let you restore any email or folder from the backed up mailbox to the original location, a different folder, or an entirely different mailbox. To choose a different destination folder, select Browse. You can select an existing folder in the mailbox or create a new one specifically for the restore. Select the use path once the correct restore destination has been chosen. After selecting the destination, click the Initiate Restore button to start the restore process. Once you start a restore, a progress bar will appear to show its status. Once the restore job has completed, a success message is displayed.